All right, we're going to introduce our first unit dealing with calculus, and we're going to work with unit lesson on rates of change. So you can go ahead and just pause and read what is calculus on this first slide. So what we've learned prior to this year is in Algebra 1 and Algebra 2, some of what we call the elementary math, which really isn't elementary, but Algebra 1, Algebra 2. The slope of a line looks like this, y equals mx plus b. Average velocity or acceleration, when they are not constant, you can find the area of a region bounded by line segments. Find the length of a line segment, the volume of a rectangular solid, work done by constant force. Now on the right side, here is where calculus comes into play. You're going to be able to find the slope of a line, be able to find the instantaneous velocity or acceleration, be able to find the area of a region bounded by a curve, find the length of a curve, the volume of a curved solid, and then work done by various force. So in this unit, you're going to hear the word differentiation, slopes of curves, and equations of tangents. So when we differentiate, you're finding the derivative asking you the same thing. So dy dx, the derivative of the function expressed as a slope, or the gradient. So first slide here, pause if you need to. If the relationship between two variables is a straight line, so here's variable 1, time, here's variable 2, distance, and that is a straight line, the gradient, which you're going to refer to in our course, is slope of that line tells us the rate at which one variable changes in respect to another. So slope or gradient is the rate. For example, in a travel graph showing the distance against time, the gradient of a straight line tells us the speed at which the object is. In the real world, rates such as speed are constantly changing. Their travel graphs are curves rather than straight lines. In order to calculate the instantaneous speed of an object, we need to learn differential calculus. So differential calculus works with rates of change. So here is our first definition. Rate is a comparison between two quantities of different kinds. So here's some examples of rates. Speed at which a car travels. Our notation for kilometers per hour, notice that h to the negative 1 is per hour. Meters per second. Example B, fuel efficiency of a car in kilometers per liter, or liters per 100 kilometers traveled. Scoring rate of a basketball game is points per game. These are different rates. So here's an example from our book. Joseph typed 213 words in 3 minutes, and he made 6 errors. So here's Joseph. He typed 213 words in 3 minutes and made 6 errors. Where Marie typed 260 words in 4 minutes and made 7 errors. And we want to compare their rates. So let's start off with Joseph. And we want to find his typing rate. So we had 213 words that he typed, and it took him 3 minutes. And then you would divide that, and you get 71 words per minute. And now let's do his error rate. So he made 6 errors in 213 words, which is approximately 0.0282 errors per word. All right, let's switch to Marie. With Marie, her typing rate she typed 260 words in 4 minutes. Divide that, and you get 65 words per minute. And her error rate, she made 7 errors in the 260 words that she typed. Enter that into the calculator. Her error rate was 0.0269 errors per word. Now we want to compare those two. So, therefore, who typed faster? Joseph typed at 71 words per minute, where Marie typed at 65 words per minute. So Joseph typed faster. Now let's look at the errors per word. Joseph was at 0.028, where Marie had a smaller error mistakes. So, but Marie typed with greater accuracy.